What is line art? Line art refers to the initial stage or outline of an artwork or illustration and is typically a simplified black and white representation of the subject, consisting of clean, precise lines without shading, color, or texture. Line art can be a standalone artistic style in which the absence of color and shading emphasizes the beauty and simplicity of the lines themselves. However, it is only commonly used as a starting point for adding colors, shadows, highlights, and other visual elements to bring the artwork to life. Artists may choose to keep the line art visible in the final piece or use it as an underlying guide while coloring or rendering their artwork. Artists often create line art by using tools like pens, pencils, or digital drawing software that allow them to create smooth, continuous lines. The purpose of line art is to define the basic shapes, contours, and details of the subject before applying color or other artistic elements. It helps in establishing the composition, proportions, and overall structure of the artwork. So where do we usually use or see line arts? Line art is often used in creating illustrations, animations, comics, and manga, digital art, tattoo design, graphic design, concept design, and many more art genres. It serves as the foundation and plays a crucial role in the artistic process for further development in various art forms. It acts as a framework that artists can build upon to create their desired visual representation. Here are some tips and tricks in creating a line art. Start by creating your initial sketch using light strokes. This will serve as a guide for your line art and can be easily adjusted or erased as needed. Use steady strokes. Maintain a steady hand and use confident, smooth strokes when creating your lines. This will help achieve cleaner and more consistent lines in your line art. Vary line weight. Experiment with varying line thickness to add depth and interest to your artwork. Thicker lines can be used for defining the main outlines and areas of emphasis, while thinner lines can be used for smaller details. Pay attention to flow and contour. Follow the natural flow and contour of the subject with your lines. This will create a sense of movement and rhythm in your line art. Use reference material. When drawing complex or detailed subjects, refer to reference images or real-life objects to ensure accuracy and capture the correct proportions and details. If you're working digitally, utilize layers to separate different elements of your line art. This allows for easier editing and adjustments without affecting the rest of your artwork. My advice for those who want to try this out is to embrace imperfections. Remember that line art doesn't have to be perfect. Small imperfections or variations in line weight can add character. Again, practice is key when it comes to improving your skills. Experiment, explore different techniques, and have fun with the process. Over time, you'll develop your own unique style and proficiency in creating not just line art, but any other art styles as well.